Hello, this is my submission for the Ubisoft NEXT 2023 Programming Challenge. It's based on the game Bomberman, and for my game in particular, I've named it Bomber Triangle, as instead of a Bomberman, there's a triangle. The basic controls: WSD to move, space to place bombs, press 1, 2, and 3 to change between different types of bombs, 1 for normal bombs, 2 for directional bombs, and 3 for landmines. For the directional bombs in particular, you can use the arrow keys to change the direction of the directional bomb. Jumping into the level, you can see that there's obstructions, these sort of brick-like ones, and some enemies moving around randomly. These obstructions and enemies are randomly placed every time you enter a level, so right off the start of the game, and as you progress, traveling from level to level. I'll just restart the game here quick to demonstrate that. Random set of obstructions and random enemy placement. Some basic UI stuff, got 3 lives. This is the level 1, first level. 7 enemies are left, and down in the bottom here, you can see the type of bomb that's currently equipped. We've got normal, directional, and landmine. The normal bomb functions the same as the original game. It affects the immediately adjacent tiles, destroying these obstructions. Another type of bomb is this directional bomb. This one, you have to choose a direction, so when I place it, the game kind of freezes for a second, and then I will press up, and this bomb has a longer blast radius, but it only goes in the one direction. Finally, there's the landmine bomb. This one will only explode when an enemy walks over it and just affects the square it was placed on. The enemies themselves are just kind of moving around randomly. They'll tend to try and move in the direction they were already traveling, but overall they'll just kind of pick random directions to travel. So you can see down here, I've uncovered the door to get to the next level, but it's orange, it's still locked. I have to defeat the 6 remaining enemies to unlock the door and move on to the next level. If the player runs into an enemy, they'll lose a life. So you can see here, now I only have 2 lives left. You run out of lives, you lose the game, and you go back to the main menu. Once we've defeated all the enemies, the door will be unlocked. It's nice and green now. I can travel to the next level. Once again, randomly generated obstructions, randomly generated enemy locations. And then, just to demonstrate what happens if you run out of lives, 1 life left, back to the main menu, game over, you can start again. This is a really interesting challenge. I had a lot of fun working on it. Thank you very much for watching.